Day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert page number in Google Docs from specific page. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser. I just have my Google Docs with me. So this is my book page. So I have a title page, I have a chapter page as well as the content over there. So I want to start a page number from my content page, that is page number 3 onwards. So how to do that, what is the specification is there, what is the steps are there, I just want to share with you. First, simple and easiest way, just go to page number 3. So from this page onwards, I just want to put a page number with page number 1. So select the page number from specific page you want, select that page, just go to insert menu and you will find an option called break option. So just select the break called a section break will be there for next page, section break for continuous page. Just click a section break. So once you click a section break, the break will be happen for chapter 1 and title, as well as the break will be for page number 3 onwards. So now just go to insert menu and just there will be a page element, new updates there in the Google Docs. So otherwise just go to format and you will find a page numbers. So just go to insert and page element, you will find a page number over here. So just select more options over here and page count will be there. This is a header page number, this is a header page number first page, this is a header page number starting from first page and specific page number. So just select this option, you will find a footer is in the empty space from first page onwards, there will be starting. So just tick the button different from the first page and you will find a footer options will be start with that. So you just choose this option, footer format, you can identify. So from page number 3 onwards, I just want to change this one into a different option. What you have to do here, just select a link previous and just type page number 1 from this. So once you type page number 1, automatically it will move into link previous and just click here to change. So automatically your page number will be changed into a 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's a simple and easiest way you can change your things. Otherwise just choose a format option, you can change your session options into whole document, section forward, and just click here to apply. So similarly you can change according to your needs. And if I want to change this page number into a center, just select the alignment into a center, automatically the page number will be in a center. And I just want to convert a color option. For that I just want to change this a gray color, the gray color will be applied in my page number. So I just want to give some options to remove the page number, remove footer, just go to page number. So start on first page, just remove this one, so start at page number 1. So just click here to apply, automatically it will apply for page number 1 onwards, as you see here. So simple and easiest way to identify 2 and 3 and pages will be added over here. Similarly you can change the options to remove your footer, and footer format also will be available to change a different first page, and odd number and even number also you can give. According to that you can insert the margin also for the top header and top footer. So simple and easiest way. If I want to remove the page number, just click here to remove the footer. So simple way to insert the specific page number from different kind of options. If you like the tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.